Alright, so here's what our cluster is doing. Nothing. Just goes a little crazy. So let's take it out and see what we can do with it. So it's raining and the audio is probably going to be junk, but I've been chasing down this cluster. We posted about it, randomly going out and quitting. Sometimes it come back on, re-soldered, reflowed all the joints on the displays and the main junction up here. But what I finally found is this little red doohickey right here. When I push on it, there she is. She comes on. Now I can tap. Maybe not tap. Earlier when I was messing with it, I could tap on the board and it would shut back off. But I pushed on this little doohickey right here 4 or 5 times to make it come on, and it was coming on each time. So that one right there by the light. I guess we pushed on it just right because now she don't want to go back out. Oh, that sucks. I really wanted to make it go back out for y'all. Huh. Let me play with it, see if we can get it quit again. Alright, so it died out. I messed with it, it came back on. I was trying to get it dialed again, it finally did, and I went to mess with it. And as you can see right there, that little doohickey is about to fall off. So I don't want to mess with it much more because I don't want to lose it. So we'll go re-solder that, and then we'll put this thing back in the truck and we'll drive it for the next few days and see how it does. In the past, you could mess with the circuit board and it would start working, but usually a day or two is the most you'd get out of it, and then she'd quit again. So let's give this a shot and see how it goes, and I'll keep y'all updated. And there we are. She's back in the truck and she is working. So the needles are off a little bit. Don't worry about that. We're gonna drive it for a day or two. I just slapped this thing back together, and once we drive it for a day or two, if it acts right, we'll pull that cover back off, fix our needles. But yeah, so that was super aggravating. Hopefully this is a fix. Time will tell. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And if you're facing some kind of stupid issue like I was here, hit up the Facebook community. We're trying to get that going, and it's easier for me to reply to people and share diagrams and everything through there. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Check out the Facebook, and if you want to look at some cool merch, go check out the merch store on the website. Anyways, appreciate y'all watching. Y'all have a good evening.